Hello, welcome. In this short video, let us look at a derivation of the equations of the weights, the equations of the corresponding to the weights of a neural network that minimize the error between given target values and the output of the neural network. Basically, we want to use the minimum error criterion to derive the equations for the weight vector during training of a neural network. Given the target vectors Tn and the input vectors Xn, where n corresponds to values 1, 2, 3 and so on to capital N. And we have a neural network with the output of a nth input as y of xn comma w is equal to sigma of, that is the activation function in the output node, sigma of summation j equal to 0 to m wj h of summation I equal to 0 to d wji xni. That is the ith component of the nth vector or the nth input. So given this neural network, we want to derive the equations for the weight vectors w, that is this weight vector w basically consists of this wj's and wji's. Now in order to derive the equations for the weight vector w, we need to minimize the error function. That is, the error function e of w is defined as 1 by 2 summation n equal to 1 to capital N, where capital N is the total number of inputs, summation of y of xn comma w, that is the nth output of the neural network or the output of the neural network for the nth input, minus the target value, the nth target value, whole square. So this is the error function. Now in order to find the optimal weights, that is w, the optimization problem is argument that minimizes this error function. So by minimizing this error function, we will be able to find the equations for the weight vector w, which can be done as follows. So by using the definition of the neural network output y of xn comma w, in the error function we have argument minimize with respect to weight vector w, this summation which is 1 by 2 summation n equal to 1 to n y of xn comma w minus tn whole square. This can be minimized by basically differentiating with respect to the weight vector w, or with respect to the one of the values of the w. So for example, in order to find the weights in the input layer, we can differentiate with respect to wji's. So by differentiating the error when dou by dou of wjk, by differentiating the error function with one of the weights in the input layer and equating it to 0, we will be able to find the equation for the first equation for the weight vector. This can be done as follows. By differentiating this expression with respect to wjk, we have 1 by 2 into summation n equal to 1 to n, and derivative of this square is 2 times this value, which is difference between the output and the target value. And next we have derivative of this component, that is derivative of y of xn comma w and derivative of tn, and obviously derivative of tn with respect to wjk is 0. Then derivative with respect to yxn is dou by wjk, dou by dou wjk of y of xn comma w. So and this summation should be equal to 0. This implies that, and this can be rewritten as the error between the output and the target value. So this can be written as en is equal to the difference between y of xn comma w minus tn. So by rewriting this as en, we have, and cancelling the 2's, we have summation n equal to 1 to n en into derivative of the output, which is derivative of the sigma function. This we have sigma dash of summation j equal to 0 to m wj h of summation I equal to 0 to d wji xni into derivative of this function, which is, and the derivative of this h of this summation is h dash of summation I equal to 0 to d wji xni, and the derivative of this sum is basically xnk. So this is equal to 0. So this is the final equation for the weights wji. So in simple terms, basically one of the equations is summation n equal to 1 to capital N, and the error between the neural network output and the target value en into the derivative of the output with respect to the w, and this is equal to 0. So this is one of the main equations for the weights of a neural network. Thanks for watching.